Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a membership plan in Bold Memberships. Bold Memberships lets you create a variety of membership plans for your store. Whether you're offering exclusive content like curated products, collections, or pages, or providing offline services such as fitness classes or photography lessons, it gives you the flexibility to craft a perfect membership experience for your customers. With that being said, let's create a membership plan within Bold Memberships. From within the Bold Memberships admin, click Plans, then click Create New Plan. In the first section, enter a plan name. This name is public-facing to your customers. Next, enter a plan tag. This tag is used by Bold Memberships to identify which customers are active members and is applied to their customer profile in Shopify once they sign up for a membership. Under plan description, enter a description to help describe what you are offering for your membership plan. The description that you enter is shown to your customers below the membership title. If you plan to provide exclusive website content to your members, you can adjust the access denied message that appears to non-members. Click Edit Access Denied Message, adjust your message in the pop-up modal, then click OK to save your changes. If you'd like to enable a free trial for your membership plan, enable the checkbox next to Enable Trial and enter the amount of days you want to offer as a free trial. When a free trial is enabled, customers are still prompted to enter their credit card when signing up to the membership plan, but will not be charged until the free trial is over. To enable email verification, enable the checkbox next to Enable Email Verification. This prompts customers to enter their email address twice before they can purchase the membership plan. Under Step 2, enter all the billing options you want available for your customers to choose from within signing up to the membership plan. If you'd like one of your billing options to stop charging after a certain number of payments, uncheck the box next to Forever and enter the number of payments until customers no longer have to pay for the membership. Under Step 3, you can create registration fields to collect additional information from your customers, such as phone numbers, birth date, addresses, etc. You can create as many registration fields as needed and set which fields are required. If one of your registration fields requires customers to enter multiple values, such as allergies, you can change the field type using the dropdown from text field to multi-line text field. Keep in mind that first name, last name, and email address are included by default, so you won't need to add those fields. In the last step, you can create members-only content using rules. To add a rule, click Add Rule. If you'd like to hide content from non-members, select Show in the first dropdown. To hide content from members in your membership plan, select Hide. In the next dropdown, choose the item you would like to show or hide for your members. If a product or collection type of option was chosen, use the product or collection selector to choose your products or collections. If you chose any other option, such as pages, use the dropdown to choose what you would like to hide or show. If you would like to show or hide multiple types of content to your members, click Add Rule and repeat the same steps. Click Save at the bottom of the page. That's it. Now that your plan is done, check out our Help Center to see how to add it to a storefront page so that your customers can sign up. Visit our Help Center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.